My uncle used to say, if you ain't lifting up, you ain't trying hard. And I'm tried real hard yesterday and I pinched this knife. I just made this knife and I ruined it in my vise. But I'm going to put the bumpers on because I've learned my lesson. And now we're going to fix this thing. You see, nothing's really broken. The fibers are just compressed and we've got to decompress them. We can add some water and we can add some heat to that and we can begin to pull them back out. Just takes a few minutes with a heat gun, a shop towel, and some H2O, and you're pretty much good to go. Once that towel's dry, your wood should be healed and you should be able to reapply your finish and get everything back like it should be. It worked out for me. I hope it works out for you. Wes does it. Peace!